Hello and welcome to my channel Soul Studio. This is a short video I have made of a Ficus Religiosa that I collected from a local nursery in Usmanabad. This material has been growing in ground for last 2 years. At the right side of the bag you can see the roots that were gone into the soil or the ground. This tree has grown very nicely and healthy because the roots were into the ground. Now, as the first step, I wanted to remove the tree from the bag and cut off all the extra grown large roots which look abnormal to the design and put the tree in totally different training pot. So here's a look at the tree and the root that's grown out of shape. Because the roots were into the ground, the tree has gained very good strength and has developed very nicely. I had to use an axe to cut the roots off. As you can see, the tree has got a straight stump to it, and I am planning to make it a formal upright tropical style Ficus Religiosa. When I collect material from nurseries that are very old and can be used as bonsai material, I try to adapt to the design which already exists to the plant in the material. This is the way that helps us to decide the design of the tree, and it doesn't disturb or give any major shock to the tree or disturb the natural design that the tree has. This is a very good tip that our teacher has given us in our bonsai classes. The root that has entered the ground is very strong, and it has grown in a way that the tree has also comparatively gained strength, and the tree will survive and regain itself and recover itself by the time. Here you can have a look after repotting it into a training pot. I have used brick crush, normal soil, normal garden earth in 70-30 proportion, as I do in my regular repotting mixes. So here begins the journey of this Ficus Religiosa. I hope you like my experiences that I go through making the videos and my bonsai. I hope you like and subscribe my channel. Good luck for your bonsai.